So the crypto market is facing its steepest sell-off in weeks, with mass liquidations, ETF outflows, and looming macro risk dragging sentiments lower. The total market cap has slumped to around $3.73 trillion, down 2.5% in today's trade after briefly dipping under the 4 trillion mark earlier this week amid the cascading selling pressure. So this is on the back of leverage unwinds that have triggered $1 billion in the liquidation over the past 24 hours, nearly, which is, if you see the overall picture, over $1 billion worth of leverage long positions were liquidated, amplifying the downturn. And the forced unwinding comes after the weeks of aggressive bullish positions, leaving markets vulnerable to the sudden shocks. And its impact, a sharp systemic flush across Bitcoins, Ethereum, and the altcoins. And the institutional outflows deepened the slide. Why are we saying this? Because this added to the pain, wherein the US listed crypto ETFs recorded heavy redemptions. Bitcoin ETFs, say for example, witnessed an outflow of $253.4 million, while the Ethereum ETFs were sitting with an outflow of $251.2 million. Macro headwinds compounded the bearish mood, wherein the several external risks were weighing on the sentiment, such as the US government shutdown concerns triggered a risk-off mode in the markets, and the stronger dollar makes speculative assets like the crypto look less attractive, and hence we are seeing an unabated selling in this week. Uncertainty surrounding the regulatory developments in the US and the EU regarding the crypto exchanges and anti-money laundering measures have also added to the selling pressure. So speaking about Bitcoin, which has historically struggled in September, logging 4 straight yearly declines from 2019 to 2022 with an average drop of 8.7%, and hence we are calling this as a red September decline. So Bitcoin broke below the critical $1,09,000 support levels and is now hovering close to around $1,08,900, down 12% from its peak. Technical indicators have pointed towards the further downside if the buyers fail to reclaim key levels. Speaking about Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap slumped to $3,830. The token remained 20% off its all-time high, underperforming Bitcoin as selling pressure intensifies. So let's move on to the altcoins and the crypto stocks that have corrected in today's trade. Altcoins were in the sea of red, with a sharp decline losses, such as the Aster after a stellar run. It is down by 18%, AVAX is down by 11%, NEAR is down by 7%, and XRP, Binance BNB, Sol, Doge, the popular meme coin, Link, Sui, Edgebar, Tone, UNI, and Aptos are down by 3 to 5% in today's trade, generally, which is seen a copycat trade to what kind of trend the Bitcoin and the Ethereum is showing. So crypto-linked equity also tumbled wherein the MicroStrategy, Coinbase, and miners witnessed a sharp pullback after a stellar run. So going forward, all eyes are on the inflation. Markets now turn to the Friday's US inflation report, a key input for the Fed rates path, with the strong GDP data clouded hopes for the aggressive cuts. Meanwhile, the upcoming earnings season and the government shutdown risk remains an overhang. Until the macro clarity improves, crypto market could remain under pressure. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching Trade.TV. Thank you.